I'm D. Mungalapriya, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science. Today we are going to see the topic Second Chance Algorithm using FIFO in page replacement. When a page has been selected, however, we inspect its reference bit. If the value is 0, we proceed to replace this page. But if the reference bit is set to 1, we give the page second chance and move on to select the next FIFO page. When a page gets a second chance, its reference bit is cleared and its arrival time is set to the current time. The page is given a second chance will not be replaced until all other pages is replaced. In this we have reference string that is 2, 3, 2, 1, 5, 2, 4, 5, 3, 2, 5, 2. Let us start with the page tracing. These are all the empty frames. As I told, we are going to take a reference bit for each page in the memory. Now all the frames are free. In the queue, we have 2 first. Now all the frames are free, nothing in the memory. So 2 goes in and nobody goes out. It is page fault. Initially, 2's reference bit is set to be 0. Next we required 3 in the memory. But 3 is not available in the frame. We have empty frame. So 3 goes in and nobody goes out. It is page fault. The reference bit is set to be 0. Next we require 2 in the memory. But we have already 2 in the frame. So there is no page fault. But the important thing we need to understand here, that is 2 reference again. So 2 reference bit is set to be 1 and the reference bit remains 0. The next we required 1 in the memory, but 1 is not available in the frame. So we have empty frame. So 1 goes in and nobody goes out. The reference bit is set to be 0 and 2 it is 1 and 3 remains 0. Next we have 5 in the queue. So we need to be placed 5 in the frame. But now all the frames are filled with other pages. So 5 need to be come in and somebody needs to be replaced with that. Now we have 2, 3 and 1 in the frame. We are using FIFO variant of the second chance algorithm. So we apply the FIFO rule here. Who has come in first? That page has to be replaced. 2 has come first, but if we use plain FIFO, we use it to replace 2. But here we are using second chance algorithm. So we need to take one more factor in the consideration, that is reference bit value. Here 2's reference bit value is 1, so it gets second chance. Next we have 3 and 1. In 3, in that 3 came first, so we are going to replace 3 with 5. And its reference bit set to be 0. While we are replacing, the 2 we didn't replace because it got second chance. So its reference bit is set to be 0 and for 1 it remains the same 0. Next we require 2 in the memory, but 2 is available in the frame. So there is no page fault, but again second reference set to be 1. Second reference set to be 1. And for 5 and it remains 0. The next we required 4 in the memory, but 4 is not available in the frame. So somebody needs to be replaced for placing 4. Now we have 2, 5, 1. We apply FIFO rule here. Who has come first? That has to be replaced. Now here 2 came first and its reference bit is 1. And next we have 5 and 1. So here 1 is oldest. We need to replace 1 with 4. So 1 goes out and 4 comes in. Its reference bit is set to be 0. And 2 is used second chance. So we need to be replace the reference bit as 0. And remaining remains 4 remains 0. Next, we require 5 in the memory, but 5 is available in the frame, so reference bit change to be 1. And for 2 and 4 remains 0. Next, we require 3 in the memory, but 3 is not available in the frame. So somebody needs to replace for that. 2 is older, so 2 goes out and 3 comes in. So 3 reference bit is 0 and 5 it remains 1 and 4 it remains 0. Next, we require 2. But 2 is not available in the frame, so somebody need to be replaced. Now we have 3, 5, 1. Now we need to replace 5, but its reference bit is 1, so we need to replace 4 with 2. And the reference bit changes to 0 and reference bit become 2, 0. Next, we are having 5 in the memory, but 5 is available in the frame, so reference bit change to 1 and for 3 remains 0 and for 2 it remains 0. Next, we required 2 in the memory, but 2 is available in the frame, so reference bit is changed to 1 and 3 remains 0.